Ndị Igbo bịanụ, cha 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 cha, Igbo kwenu, Igbo mọnụ, Igbo rizuonu, Igbo gazuonu. I'm so happy. Do you know that an Igbo name is now permanently written in space? Yes, you heard that right. An Igbo name is now attached to an object that travels around the sun. Don't worry, let me explain it in simple English. Recently, the International Astronomical Union, IAU, the international organization responsible for naming planets, stars, asteroids, and other objects in space, officially named an asteroid 149831 Okeke. An asteroid is simply a large rock that moves around the sun in space. Out of the countless asteroids in the universe, one of them now proudly bears the name Okeke. Why? Because of the outstanding scientific achievement of an Igbo woman, one of our own illustrious daughters, Professor Francisca Nneka Okeke. Now just think about it. Among the countless objects in space, an Igbo name will now continue to travel around the sun for generations to come. Somebody shout, power! Shout, power also! Who is Professor Francisca Nneka Okeke? Professor Francisca Nneka Okeke was born about 69 years ago in Idemili North local government area of Anambra State. From a young age, she loved learning. She was fortunate to have a father who was a brilliant mathematics teacher. He introduced her to mathematics very early and encouraged her to believe that no subject was too difficult for a girl to study. That encouragement changed her life. At the age of 18, she got married to Professor Pius Wanko, that is P.N. Okeke, Nigeria's first professor of astronomy. If you studied physics in secondary school, especially in Nigeria, chances are you used the famous senior secondary physics textbook. Yes, the same P.N. Okeke physics textbook. Many people may not know that Professor Francisca Okeke and her husband are the authors of that popular textbook, which has helped millions of students across Nigeria. Professor Okeke dedicated her life to studying space science and the ionosphere, the upper parts of the Earth's atmosphere. Her research has helped scientists better understand communication system, satellite technology, and even climate change. Because of her groundbreaking work, she received one of the world's biggest honors for female scientists. In 2023, she won the prestigious L'Oreal UNESCO for Women in Science Award for Africa and Middle East. UNESCO praised her for her original scientific research and her important contributions to understanding the Earth's atmosphere. She also received a $100,000 research grant during the award ceremony in Paris, France. That was another moment of pride for Nigeria and Africa. Professor Okeke has spent more than 3 decades teaching, mentoring, writing textbooks, and carrying out world-class research. She became the first woman to head the Department of Physics and Astronomy at the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. She later became the Dean of the Faculty of Physical Sciences, another historic achievement. Over the years, she has supervised many postgraduate students and published numerous scientific papers that are respected around the world. She has shown that with education, hard work, and determination, there is no limit to what an African woman can achieve. A successful career and a happy family. One thing that makes her story even more inspiring is that she successfully combined a great career with family life. Together with her husband, Professor P.N. Okeke, she raised 6 children while both continued making history in science. Her life proves that a woman can excel in her career and still build a beautiful family. She is an inspiration to young girls everywhere. An Igbo name that will never leave the space. Recently, the International Astronomical Union has officially named asteroid 149831 Okeke after Professor Francisca Okeke. This is one of the greatest honors any scientist can receive. It means her name has become a permanent part of the scientific history of the universe. Long after we are gone, asteroid 149831 Okeke will still be traveling around the sun, carrying an Igbo name across space. How incredible is that? This achievement is bigger than one person. It is a victory for the University of Nigeria and Nsukka. It is a victory for Anambra State. It is a victory for Ndi Igbo. It is a victory for the children of the rising sun. It is a victory for Africa. It reminds the world that Ndi Igbo are not only making headlines in businesses, entertainment, sports, and technology. We are also making remarkable contributions to science, research, and space exploration. Our names can reach the stars. This honor sends a powerful message to every young Igbo and Nigerian child. Your background does not define your future. Yes. Your village does not limit your destiny. With education, discipline, and hard work, your name can travel further than you ever imagined. Professor Francisca Nneka Okeke has shown us that the classroom can lead to the stars. As asteroid 149831 Okeke continues its endless journey around the sun, it will remain a lasting symbol of Igbo excellence, knowledge, resilience, and the power of education. Congratulations to Professor Francisca Nneka Okeke for this extraordinary achievement. Don't forget, if your children do not know how to speak Igbo or solve mathematics properly, bring them into my academy. If you want Japa or you find solution concerning Japa things, come, I did for you. If you want to learn how to create content and edit videos, I am also here for you. If you also want to learn AI content, come, I did for you. We have lands available for sale across Igbo regions. Send me a DM.